project name is moving truck. First, how to make the moving truck means we want designing cardboard. Any toy at home means we cut the wheels, so we turn this one. This is DC motor. For this DC motor, the connector is free. For this entrance glass, we didn't paste, so we want cover. So this is toothpick. We want two toothpick. Waste bottles means that cap we want to take. For this red color name is ceiling. We can see the ceiling in generator and radio.
Now we will show how it operating.
We want to connect the connector. Connect boy. See, this is running. Thank you.